keyboard replacement, and deep cleaning on Asus X550L laptop. Thank you, Sir Bill, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The Asus X550L laptop underwent a complete maintenance service that included deep cleaning and keyboard replacement to restore its functionality, cooling efficiency, and overall performance. The device had developed keyboard issues, such as unresponsive and worn-out keys, along with internal dust buildup that affected airflow and system stability. The first stage of the service focused on the keyboard replacement. The faulty keyboard was carefully removed, and a brand new, compatible unit was installed to ensure accurate input and smooth typing performance. After installation, the keyboard was tested thoroughly to confirm that all keys were fully responsive and functioning correctly. This process restored the user's ability to type efficiently and improved overall usability of a laptop. The second stage involved a full internal deep cleaning of the laptop. Over time, dust and debris had accumulated around the cooling fan, vents, and heat sink, restricting airflow and causing the system to heat up more quickly. The laptop was fully disassembled, and internal components were cleaned using compressed air and anti-static tools. Old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU was replaced with fresh, high-quality paste to improve heat transfer and cooling efficiency. After the service, the Asus X550L demonstrated improved thermal performance, quieter fan operation, and restored typing functionality. The deep cleaning reduced the risk of overheating and hardware stress, while the new keyboard provided a reliable and comfortable typing experience. In conclusion, the combined deep cleaning and keyboard replacement service revitalized the Asus X550L, ensuring it is once again reliable, efficient, and ready for daily use. Keyboard replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.